I never knew colored hair could fit me like this. Girl, you need to try out some other colors cause this hair is giving me rich hunty vibes. Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful headband wig using some clip-ins hair that I received from a vendor 2 years ago, and they've been lying down like just like that because my hair was natural back then, so it was easy for me to wear them. But since I transitioned to relaxed hair, I couldn't wear it anymore because this texture cannot match my permed hair. So I decided to make it into a headband wig so that I can be wearing it more often, and I dyed the hair as well. The initial color was color 2, natural color kind of, and I dyed it to this honey blonde, which I'm feeling myself right now. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this headband wig, then you should definitely keep on watching. And if today is your first time stopping by my channel, hey boo boo boo, welcome to my channel. Please make sure that you stick with me by subscribing, and if you're an old returning subscriber, girl, you are the real MVP. I know there are some guys here, but please do want to share this video and like it so that it can be recommended to other people. And yeah, until next week, stay fast, stay beautiful, and be awesome. Bye love. So with me here, I have my mesh cap. This is the type I'm going to be using because I don't have the already made headband head cap, so we are going to be making our own. And then I have this band that I used to lay my frontal, but I'm going to use this as my headband. So to begin, I'm going to place my mesh cap on the mannequin. Then I'm going to use my push pins to secure everything in place so that the wig cap doesn't move around when I'm sewing. And then I'm going to take my band and place it on the way I want it to be. So I'm going to sew the side all the way to this side, and same applies to this other side as well. And there you have it, our headband is ready. So now we are going to go ahead and start sewing our tracks on. So for the hair that I'll be using today, I'll be using clip-ins for my hair. So this was the initial color. It was this color 2, and then I dyed it honey blonde. If you want me to do a video on how to dye wigs, please let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do that. So this is how the hair looks like with the color. It's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all these clip-ins from the hair because we don't need that. And then once I'm done, we are going to go ahead and start sewing the tracks on the wig cap like so to make our headband wig. And all you need to do is to just cut it like so, and then you'll be able to get rid of the clips. And you can keep this clip for future use because you are going to need these. If you make wigs, you're going to really need these. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of that. So after removing the clip ends, let me bring it a little bit closer. So from here you can see that the wefts were actually tripled. 1, 2, 3. So you can remove the tracks like so. That's really cool. I never knew they make the weft like this, but I'm going to sew it like that. I'm not going to remove any tracks. I'm just going to place it like so. With that being said, that means I can place one here and leave about this much and then place the other one. That's really cool. Alright guys, so now I'm done with the wig and this is how it's looking. It's kind of messy, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. This is the back. It's so beautiful. I love the color, guys. So once I was doing the wig, I realized that my words weren't enough. As I said earlier on, I had only 9, so I added a bit of the other black, about 3 of them. So in all I have 12 weft. I used 12 clippings weft to do this, and as you can see, it's very full. Look at the spaces in. Look at this, guys. Look at the spaces in between, and yes, still it's fully covered. Now, in order to revive the curls and make it a little less puffy and all that, we are going to be applying some products in the hair. So I have with me this Soften Free. Is it Soft and Free or Soften Free? I don't even know the name, but it's a curl activator. I'm going to use it on the hair. You also need your spray bottle and some water, and then this curl keeper, and of course my lifesaver, this brush. That's magic.